Look at the woman, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know y'all have not seen me in a while, but I was getting my life together so that my YouTube channel can be that girl. And now it's gonna be that girl. I got my car. I got my camera. No more iPhone vlogs at all. Today we will be doing a maintenance vlog. Right now we're just gonna go to Camp Creek. I'm going to Staples to get some stuff for my camera, and we're going to Target to go grocery shopping. But yeah, I'm still getting used to this camera, so bear with me, y'all, but definitely stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Okay, y'all, we made it to Staples, and I'm gonna just get a case, batteries, SD card, and tripod so I can hold the camera like straight. So more of the story, y'all, ain't nothing in Staples. Like, I don't know what possessed me to come here. I should have went to like Best Buy, but they just got like stuff like this. We finna try Target because I go in there anyway.
She suck up too slow and patient. What's amazing? I don't know.
What?
I might accept your apology. I've been drinking, I need a bottle. I'm so tired of these niggas, man. I ain't so tired of these bitches.
But yeah, y'all, we made it to Target. Can y'all see Target? Can't see nothing, I don't know. The closest Best Buy is like 20 minutes away, and I was trying to make like a quick little store run, come back with my stuff, you know? Not a road trip. Like, that's kind of crazy, but we gotta do what we gotta do. We gonna see. Like I thought, y'all, Target didn't have no camera stuff, but I gotta get some tacos. Little taco section. The camera's finna die, y'all. Finna get mad. Have y'all ever tried this? Spicy ranch. No way. But I'm not get either one of these. I tried this one before, but this look a little good. I might get this one. All we need now is jalapenos and sour cream. Okay, y'all. So I just left Target. I still need my stuff for my camera because like I can already tell like this week I'm not gonna say it's gonna be a hectic week, but I want to vlog it and I don't want to have to be running around trying to find like stuff, you know. Let's see how far this Best Buy is finna be, because I feel like Best Buy is my best bet. 35 minutes away, y'all. But I know they gonna have it. We finna make that drive. We're gonna make that drive, y'all. And we're gonna be there. What time is it? It's currently 6:05. We're gonna get there at 6:45. Like, we just finna lock in. Like, no more excuses. It's time to get rich. Clock that T. I'm gonna see y'all at 6:45. So y'all, we made it to Best Buy. It's currently, we're only a couple minutes off, but y'all, this drive was like horrible. Like, it was horrible. Traffic after traffic. I didn't go off the highway. They put me right back on the highway. Too much, but I still kind of made my timing low key. But the camera is literally finna die, so I'll be back. I'm not even gonna show y'all inside of Best Buy because I'm just stressed. So I'm gonna see y'all later. I've secured the bag. We got the tripod, y'all. We got a battery charger, and we got SD card, battery, and yeah, like, now we're finna head back home. Yeah, y'all, that's really it for today. I'm finna go home and get ready for school tomorrow, and tomorrow is when I'll be getting my lashes done, so that's probably when I'll next see y'all at my lash appointment.
I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that.
We in the bag and we bag in the T.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the D.
I love my lashes. Definitely get at Keely. I think her Instagram is Minx by Key. It's gonna be like right here or something. But she ate. She ate like. Who is she feeling like? Tomorrow is the nails. Do y'all see? Like, this is like high key embarrassing. High key like. But we're gonna get them done tomorrow. I have some ideas. I'm gonna put them right here. 1 or 2. Y'all pick. This is like unacceptable. What's up? What's ahead of my vlog?
Huh? Yeah, what's up, vlog?
But yeah, y'all, I'm finna be on the way home and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I might do like a little school vlog because I guess it's homecoming right now. I guess. I don't really know. Hey guys, so today is the next day. Today I really just vlogged a homecoming vlog at school, which is coming next.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's Justin here.
Period. We're finna go get our eyebrows done and I'm getting my nails done. And after that, tomorrow I get my hair done. I'm really excited, but I'm trying a different style. I'm kind of nervous for it. Are you nervous for my style? Wait, do you remember I'm good? Like, he's such a fucking clown. The homecoming vlog is finna eat. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that vlog because today was so much fun. And we got stuff to do tomorrow.
Yay.
Wait, is our homecoming game next Friday?
No, it's the Friday after that.
Why the fuck? Oh, because we gotta do the coordination the next Sunday, then the whole homecoming week, and then that Friday. Why they got the homecoming so spread out? We pretty much have the homecoming for 3 weeks. Y'all, what other school y'all know have homecoming for 3 weeks? Then they're kind of top tier, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Allen, turning in and giving time. Personal problems to the top, cause I got this shit out. Baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be. This shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know all the things that she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me?
So y'all, we stopped by American Deli because Justin was hungry.
Hey y'all, I just got fed and 1 through 10, I would, okay. Now she gave me the vlog, so this is now Justin's channel. I'm joking. But, it was most definitely bomb-diggalicious. And it was good. 1 out of 10, I'm rated a cute -5.
What?
Okay. I'm definitely gonna rate it a cute 9. I'm gonna say 10 out of 10. I'm gonna say 9.
Try a new flavor.
I tried a new flavor. I tried honey lemon pepper. It was no honey.
Just straight lemon. It was overly lemon pepper.
And then I put it in the like sauce with the fry. And I'm like, this is literally straight
lemon. It's not even no pepper. It just gave lemon.
It literally just gave sour lemon. Like, I really wasn't messing with that. But it was, okay, I'm gonna rate it like a 6 now. But I feel like the reason I rated a 10 out of 10 before was because it filled me up. I feel really good. I feel really good in the hood. And I got energy. Today, I did not eat nothing at all. So I was so drained. Campaigning really drained me. But now I'm back energized and the Queen Anaya is finna go
get my nails done.
Okay, smart. Hey, we ate.
Look at my
The nails ate, Anaya. They ate.
This is something so different. Like, I never had just like all yellow nails.
They're so cute. Should I match with you?
You should when you come.
At the BHS.
Yeah, cause yellow,
the yellow with the
gray.
with the red, that's too much.
That'd be so ugly, but I really love them guys. Okay, so I am currently on the way to school, but I am overly late because I had to take out my hair this morning. It's currently 10:16. Let's get to going to school. But I am so late. Like, I gotta really work on my time management. But I started taking my hair out yesterday at like 8 o'clock at night, thinking these small knotless, but if me and my mama do them, it's gonna be real fast. It was like 12 o'clock, and I was like, I'm finna do this in the morning. I woke up at 6 o'clock and everything, and I still didn't get done taking my hair till like 9. And then I took me a good little nap. And now I'm on the way to school. I have a hair appointment at like 1:30 with my friend. So y'all gonna meet her for the first time on my YouTube channel. She works in my salon, so y'all see her. Y'all will see her a lot. The style I'm getting is very different. Like, I have never in my life. It's not even like no extravagant hairstyle, but like I've never seen anybody have it before, like in person. Like, I seen it on TikTok maybe a couple times, but it's very different. I'm very excited. If I don't like it, I could always like add something to it. This is a natural style, y'all. I'm not finna have no weave in my hair. Y'all, I be down by my school and I see folks just walking. What is that, man? When I see folks just walking, I'm like, where y'all going? Like, y'all would rather just walk in the street, walk, then go to school. Like, just go to school. You can sit down, talk to your friends. Like, why do you want to walk around? Like, that is so crazy. I'm ready to graduate. Y'all, this is my senior year. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. I am a senior. Like who would have thought we would have made it this far? This lighting is horrible, guys. And when they say senioritis is like so horrible, they did not lie. Like, senioritis really hit me last year. But I feel like it really hits you when you have a car and you know, like, I can't leave right now. Like, right now, I can get up and just drive home. I can just go home. If I'm hungry, I can just go get something to eat. And I barely have periods at school, so it's just like, it make me not want to go more. But I'm definitely going to finish either way. But I'm at school now, y'all. And I'm going to probably see y'all whenever it get entertaining. Don't play with it.
Hey, babe.
Boot up.
This is the funniest shit ever. Hey. Okay, look at him. Hey.
Okay, y'all, so my hair is done, but it's not really like done. It's done for her work, but we got the back flat twisted. Let me show y'all. Jesse's back flat twisted. If you're getting your lashes done by your friend and you like, okay, I'm gonna open my eyes just cause, like,
nobody's
don't
gonna do that.
Cause look at my eye. Nobody does that.
The only one that's gonna do that shit.
Don't get infected or like don't play with her excited, like she might bite you. Like. But I'm really about to go home and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Okay, bye y'all. Hey y'all, so it is currently Thursday, October 17th, and I have not taken my twist out yet. I got my hair done last week Friday. So it's almost been a week. So these twists better be twisted, eating, doing its biggest one. Like, but I'm finna do my edges.
When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go or do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery.
So guys, this is the finished product without like manipulation. It's giving Goldilocks. I'm trying to get bad.
I finally found what went wrong.
Guys, this is my finished product. I really wanted to wear this headband with it. How do y'all feel? I'm low-key like it. Like, it has to grow on me. But I low-key like it. It's definitely different. And it's gonna grow on me, but it's really cute. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Like, if you did, comment down below. The pink card with the little gold things, I'm gonna put it right here. Comment that down below. And yeah, make sure that y'all tune in for all of my videos. I will put y'all on the schedule soon. I'm thinking like every Friday. How y'all feeling every Friday or every Sunday? One of them. But I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga.